be in my tummy soon. And part of you will be in my tummy soon as well. I can't wait to start cooking you. Oh my. Hey, I'm Tim Martinez with the Disco Dish. And today we'll be cooking Ocho rub chicken tacos with the Spanish slaw. I'm gonna start off with some oil. So I have my chicken breast that's been dry rubbed with the Ocho spice that I make, New Mexico table spice. And so let's get to cooking. So what we did, I got some chicken breast. I've kind of butterflied it, pounded it, flattened it out a little bit, add a little bit of oil, and then we added the Ocho rub on top. Let it marinate for a little bit in a bag. As you can see here, the Ocho, the table spice, one of the main ingredients is red chili powder. So you can see how it gives it that vibrant color and that smell. There's a really good aromatic smell to it. It smells awesome. So we're just gonna let this cook. What we'll probably do is we'll flip this over once we get one side cooked, and then we'll work on that Spanish slaw. And I want to give a quick shout out to Madison Benally from Shiprock, New Mexico, who was nice enough to give me this awesome t-shirt. Once a chieftain, always a chieftain. Thanks, Madison. So that's exactly what we're looking for. With that rub, it does darken up with the heat, but there, everything is perfectly fine with that. That's exactly what we're looking for. So what we'll do, we'll flip everything over. We're gonna look for that char, let the other side cook. And like I said, we'll get to work on that Spanish slaw. So we're gonna get to work on our Spanish slaw, which is a nice crisp topping for our taco. All right, so what we have here is red cabbage, green cabbage, some julienne jalapenos, and some chopped up green onion. And here's our slaw sauce. And what we do with that, we just mix it all together. Real simple, use some tongs and we'll mix it up. That smells really good. Okay, now that the slaw is ready, we're gonna get to tending to our chicken. Should be done. All right, so everything looks like it's about there. I'm gonna turn up the heat just a little bit again. We're gonna make sure that chicken is thoroughly cooked, but we're right on track. The chicken's done. So what we'll do now is we'll take it to the cutting board and slice it up. So we're gonna season the chicken with some savory spice, black garlic salt. And now it's time to warm up those tortillas. Well, we warm up the tortillas. First of all, add some flavor, because you can see it grabs some of the oil and the residue from the disco itself, but also warms it up and it softens it so we can fold it a little bit easier. The way I like to finish my dish up is with some fresh lime. And some Hungarian paprika from the Savory Spice Shop. And that's the Disco Dish.